So I've just been clearing up and I just swept the floor for the first time in 2.5 weeks after plasterboarding, which is really, really gross. So this time around, I've done quite a lot of boarding, haven't finished. Filled in the massive hole that was down there that went to the outside. We've now got fuses and lights, which is very exciting. So switch. There we go. Proof. It's amazing. I still can't get over that. It's the first time in 400 years they've had proper LEDs in here ever. And yeah, and so boarded the kitchen. We're now going to change the plan of the kitchen, so we're going to have cupboards all along the back, then get to level with the post. If I come around here, then we're going to have a sort of U-shape kitchen, so the kitchen cupboard's going to come around here, make a sort of island across this bit. And we're going to work out where everything goes. I have plasterboarded up here, which was terrifying, but me and Paul did it. And there as well. Had a bit of an accident with this board, so we'll need a lot of filler on that, but apparently it can be fixed. We'll see. I've also plasterboarded some of the bathroom up there. Bit of the ceiling, but probably needs to be changed again. Can't seem to get this one right. And then in the downstairs loo, this is looking the most done, really, apart from this mess of pipes down here. So because the pipes, so these are the pipes from upstairs, so we had to box them basically. So there is pipe in there. That's the extractor fan that I ran through from the upstairs bit. That's this side really. Super chuffed. It's really coming together. Still a long way to go. Didn't order nearly enough plasterboard. Probably need to double the order. Also, water. Getting in touch with the water company is basically impossible. We've emailed them, phoned them, signed their little online form thing, and nothing has happened. They did turn up randomly and connected the pipe, so that's good. But so they did do something, but they're supposed to turn up and put the meter in, but they haven't. So I don't know what's going to happen there. Got to try and call them, write them a letter. I'll try everything, and then we'll be back in September to do more plasterboarding and more stuff. My mum helps me get rid of the holly trees, which is what all this is. Nice path now. So the holly trees are gone because they were damaging the roof, which is slightly damaged. I haven't been able to sort it this time, but it's all rotten anyway. So yeah, bit of a gap, unfortunately, but it is barely holding on anyway, so it's probably going to come down. I love this one. Look at that support beam. Very, very supportive. Oh well. Yeah. Oh, on Tuesday we are having a septic tank installed. So it's finally going to be dug. We've got pipes coming out. I'll show you since I'm here. So the poop pipes are coming out. There's a snazzy fan thing that's spinning to air it, and the pipes come out here, come down here, and then the septic tank people will dig a trench all the way around the building, and then put it in a huge concrete box, which will be installed down by the car. It's going to be a micro station, so we have to have electricity and water running to it. So it's like its own, got holly in my shoe. It's like its own treatment. It's a treatment plant, basically. Still have to empty it every 3 years, I think, 3 or 4 years. And the other pipe for the other house comes out here. So that runs all the way around here. We've got power in here now, and this is just a big pile of mess. The old staircase, which is damaged, so I don't really want to use that. The stairs is a whole nother thing, but we'll get there. Then round to this side of the house. So this is the other one. Nothing's really happening here apart from lights coming through the walls. This is where I've been living. We've got a big fridge that I've cleaned out. Here's my washing up station. Yeah, that's quite fun. Also trying to have a shower in that point if it was raining outside. Close the shutters, balance in there. It was definitely a sight that no one ever wanted to see or bear witness to it, really. And in here, I'm sleeping over there on the sofa bed, and yeah, this will be our kitchen in this side. So cupboards, fridge, freezer in the corner, oven, washing machine there, and then come round, have a sink, then another island and breakfast bar coming out. So another same shape as the other one, but the opposite way round. We'd really like to knock this silver patch through, make it into a window if possible, but we have to ask permission for that. It was originally a door. I can show you from the other side. A couple of 100 years ago, probably. This is the neighbour's garden, so this is the problem. It might not be able to. Might not be allowed to do it. Yeah, there it is. So you can see the outline of the door, and there, the outline that used to be a little window. So because that's like that, and it's not very thick, and it has that supporting stone at the top, this huge stone across here, I think it would be fine structurally, and then we just knock that out and turn it into a fuzzy window, a clouded one, because they've got their little garden here, so I don't really want to be seeing. It's just to add more light. They very, very, very kindly allowed us to use their hose pipe, so this is the water that I've been using for the last 2 weeks, and yeah, so generous of them. So Dan and Dave, thank you very much. And yeah, I'll show you upstairs in a minute. So upstairs I need to turn the lights on, so I go over to this fuse board, which is lights down is that one, lights up this one. One day I'll get actual light switches on the walls, but until then I use the fuse board in it, and it works. Oh, this monstrosity is coming down. I just wanted to see what it would look like as a white sheet, but that's wood. It's wonky. It needs to come down and be redone. We're going to get this professionally pointed, so pull all of this stuff off, which is old crumbly line, and we'll get it properly done. Here we're going to extend the stairs out because this is going to be walled off, so have like a little platform here and then stairs coming down towards me. May even put some shelves in it, possibly, because storage is always good. Whew, I'm out of breath now. Yes, this is the Jeet side bathroom that I was talking about. So that's nearly done. Here's the extractor fan. So this will be, excuse the camera, this will be up here through the wall, and yeah, because before we were talking about going up through the ceiling and on the roof there are vents, but you need special tiles, and I don't really like digging holes in roofs if I can help it. So this is where we were, and it doesn't actually look that high on the video, but when you're standing on top of that, so Paul was on there, I was hanging off the edge, both hands above me holding this up while we drilled them in, and yeah, scary, didn't like it, but it's done now, so I will need to go up there for plastering and jointing, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, this hasn't changed much. Put that wall in, but there is a bit of a gap at the top. Yeah, but now so he's really kind. He worked overtime with me a lot just to get this bit up, so that's away from the scary hole. So now I can use the plasterboard lift to do the rest of it, so I can do it by myself. I just need to order a lot more, and I'll be counting up how many we will need, which is a lot. But yeah, that's the end of the tour really. Hope that all makes sense, the two houses. People didn't realise that it's two separate houses. So at the moment we go through this door that the previous people made, but we will be closing that off and having a cupboard facing towards me. This will be, the shower will go across here. Yeah. And then we're going to have on this side, we've got space, sink, toilet, and then we're going to have a big shower that covers like the whole length of the room. A big walk-in shower on this side. And this is our one and only Velux, which needs a little bit of cleaning, but I can't get up there. So that's that. Yeah. Super chuffed with what we've done. Still a long way to go, but yeah. I'll be back in September, and yeah, that's it really. Bye.